Updating your Android apps on your Android phone generally is a good idea because a lot of times they have security fixes and bug fixes built into those updates. However, there are certain things that you need to do before you update to make sure that your privacy is protected, you're not using data that you didn't mean to use, and that something is updated before you update the apps themselves. I'm going to walk you through all of that. So let's open up the Google Play Store. Again, on your Android phone, I'm on a Samsung Galaxy. Tap on your profile at the top right. Scroll down. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Tap on the drop-down arrow next to General. And then tap on Account and Device Preferences at the top. This will open up this menu. Scroll down. And first tap on Leave Beta Programs. If you have signed up for beta programs for certain apps, this will install certain apps that are not necessarily ready for public yet. If you accidentally signed up for these beta programs, you might be basically downloading and installing apps onto your Android phone that aren't fully stable and ready for public use. And if you didn't mean to sign up, I would recommend signing out of those or leaving all of them. So just tap on the Leave button. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left. And then we're going to scroll down. You can see it says a number of things. Use device location. Play Store can recommend apps based on your location. Automatically archive apps and app install optimization. Send data to Google about which parts of an app that you use. Now, in all three of these cases, it doesn't necessarily help you to be able to manage those apps and use those apps better. And I wouldn't necessarily send that information for me. You can choose whether to turn that on or off, but for me, I choose to turn those off. So if any of these are on, turn them off. And then scroll down and open up Network Preferences. Scroll down again and you can see App Download Preference. If you have this set over any network, this will potentially use up hundreds of megabytes or gigabytes worth of data on your Android phone. If you don't have an unlimited cellular plan, you could run out of your cell data for the month. So I would recommend switching this to over Wi-Fi only, in addition to auto update apps, and make sure that is set to over Wi-Fi only. Now, the last thing we're going to do is scroll down and open up About at the very bottom. After you've opened that up, let's tap on Update the Google Play Store. Now, you should do this periodically just to update the Google Play Store itself before you update the apps themselves. So after you've done that, you're good to go. You can just hop out of here. Tap on your profile at the top right, and then you can do Manage Apps and Devices, and just tap the Update All to get all of the latest versions. And now you've reviewed where the data is coming in from, and it's whether it's using your cell data. You've reviewed some privacy settings, and you've also updated the Google Play Store itself. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.